You built into the vehicle? Or a slut?
No, it's actually a 2-piece box.
Oh, okay.
He designed it.
Okay.
Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Okay.
So he designed the box, all the dimensions and everything.
Yeah.
And the whole ported section goes into the trunk. And then the sealed section bolts to the ported section, and then the subs slip in, and that screws also through. And it's all supported and everything.
Okay.
Just got done tuning the port. Went through 2 amp swaps actually. I had 3 amps, 1 on each sub.
Okay.
And we ended up going with these.
Yep.
And it puts out a lot more power.
All right.
4 10s in the back deck.
Okay.
3 SAV2 12s.
Okay. Awesome. I love to hear it. Oh yeah, looks good, man. What's your bandwidth like on it?
It's tuned to like 40.
Okay.
So I had to do a port adjustment. I made the port bigger. I cut the whole middle section of the seat out.
Wow.
So my girl's phone doesn't steal me.
All right. Ratio 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gets loud. It's got a lot of vocals on like that one.
Okay.
'Cause broads in Atlanta. She's at the beat in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the looks in the van. Legacy, family. Legacy, like a family. Going out like a matata. The killers on the hand. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Legacy, like a family. Going out like a matata. The killers on the hand. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Legacy.
AC coming out of the box too a little bit.
Yeah, it's got a lot of force.
Yeah.
The box is very efficient.
Yes, sir.
The way he designed it, it's like a true 2-to-1 box.
2-to-1 ratio fourth?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me, man. Looks good.
Thanks.
You have a good day. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the looks in the van. Legacy, family. Legacy, like a family. Going out like a matata. The killers on the hand. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Legacy. I got broads in Atlanta. She's at the beat in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the looks in the van. Legacy. Family, legacy, like a family. Going out like a matata. The killers on the hands. Legacy, family, legacy, family. Legacy, done. Saniball, done. Been on the macho like Ronnie. The chopper go out to the granny. You nigga bullet your family. All the killers understand. I got broads in Atlanta. She's at the beat in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the looks in the van. Legacy, family. Legacy, like a family. Going out like a matata. The killers on the hands. Legacy, family. Legacy, family.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.